Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how subcontracting works in Odoo. We know that subcontracting means a company will delegate a portion of its manufacturing process to the sub-companies. We are going to see how we can achieve this using Odoo. Let's get into the video. This is our database. So the first thing we need to do is we need to activate the subcontracting from the settings. So we'll go to the settings module. You can search here subcontracting. So you can see the subcontracting option, it's already activated here. So I'm going back to the system and I need to create the products which I need to be manufactured by the subcontractor. I have already created the products. For that I will show you how the configuration we need to configure for the products. So you can see the powder coated steel and raw steel. Here my subcontracting product is, or my final product which I need to receive from my subcontractor is powder coated steel, and the raw material used for this is raw steel. And we have two more ingredients which I will show you from the bill of materials. So we are going to go inside the final product. We can see how it is configured. So related to subcontracting, we need to you can give here the product as manufacturing, and also for the raw materials you can see here we can give we need to tick the option like resupply to subcontractor on the order. Now let's go to the bill of material of this product. You can see my final product, a powder coated steel, and the requirements for this is for manufacturing 100 units of powder coated steel. I require pigments, resin and raw steel like 100 kilogram or 100 units raw steel. And you can see in the bill of material I have configured BOM type as subcontracting, and even I can choose the subcontractors who are available, or whom I can send it for manufacturing the raw steel, sorry, the powder coated steel. So let's see how the process works. We need to go to the purchase module, and you can create a new purchase order for the subcontractor, and you can choose the product which you want, which is your final product. Let's say in our case powder coated steel, and you can enter the quantity. Let's say I'm going to enter the quantity like 100, and this is the cost of the subcontractor for each unit, or the unit price of the subcontractor for this manufacturing process. So for powder coating purpose, my subcontractor is charging 2 real for each unit. So you can see the subcontractor charge for this is 200 real for 100 quantity powder coated steel, to powder coat 100 quantity of steel, raw steel to powder coated steel. So once you confirm the order, you can see two transfers are created here. One is like resupply and one is receipt. Resupply means the we are sending the items to the subcontractor. Let's say based on the bill of material system already created, what are the items required here for manufacturing this item, and we are going to send this item to the subcontractor. So this is the transfer for sending this item to the subcontractor. Once you validate this transfer, the item will be reduced from the stock, and it will be sent to the subcontractor for manufacturing. So I'm going back to the purchase order. Now the item is already delivered to subcontractor, or the bill of material is already delivered to the subcontractor. Now we have the next transfer. When the item is ready to receive from the subcontractor, we have the another transfer ready here as the powder coated steel, and the demand quantity is 100, and the like you can enter the quantity which you received from the subcontractor after raw steel powder coating the raw steel and make the powder coat steel. So I'm going to receive my 100 quantity of the powder coated steel from the subcontractor. So I received this item. So let's see how the costing works for this. So you can see in the inventory, if you go to the stock, so the raw steel value is 3QR, which we send to the subcontractor. And also the final powder coated steel unit cost is coming like 5 QR, 5.75 QR. In this 2 QR charge is like the subcontractor charge for powder coating, and 0.75 QR charge is the charge which is required for which is like we already we have sent the pigment and resin to subcontractor. So we are using for 100 kilogram of quantity of the raw steel, we are using 1 kilogram or 1 unit of pigments and 1 unit of resin. So this 0.75 is the cost of this pigments and resin. So I hope you understood how subcontracting works in Odoo. Thank you. Have a nice day.